Believe it or not, I found this song when I was married to an Italian. And this Italian man used to beat the shit out of me. And then one day, I turned around and say, "Hey." Enough of your turn. And now, it's my turn to beat the shit out of you. This song in Italian is called Grande, Grande, Grande. In English, it became Never, Never, Never. And in Samoa, it means Walava Pakurmaka. I like to run away from you, but if you never found me, I would die. I like to break this chain you put around me, but I know I never will. You stay away and all I do is wonder why the hell I wait for you. But when it comes to sex prevail, for lovers when we know it never will. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. Oh, whatever you do, I'll never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. Never treat me like you should. So what's the good of loving as I do? Although you always like to love, nothing else will be good enough for you. Impossible to live with you, but I know I could never live without you. Oh, whatever you do, I'll never, never, never want to be in love with anyone but you. You make me laugh, you make me cry, you make me live, you make me die for you. You make me sing, you make me shine, you make me glad, you make me made for Sometimes you just sit and stare. Haven't you ever seen a beautiful woman before? Are you surprised? That's life. Sometimes negativity turns out to be the best.